Nursery Fresh Refill for Diaper Genie and Munchkin by Nursery Fresh is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Diaper pail refill costs can seriously add up. But you can still be a money-saving, diapering genius with the Nursery Fresh Refill bags for Diaper Genie by Munchkin. There's no reason to pay more. These Nursery Fresh diaper pail refills are compatible with Genie Elite, Diaper Genie II Elite, Diaper Genie Essentials and Diaper Genie II pails. The refill bags are made with 7-layer film and offer the ultimate in-odor protection. This 4-count of refills holds up to 1,088 newborn diapers. Lower cost diaper pail bags for Diaper Genie branded pails. Compatible with Genie Elite, Diaper Genie II Elite, Diaper Genie Essentials and Diaper Genie II pails. Compatible with the Munchkin Step and Pail diaper pails. 7-layer bags. 4-pack, holds up to 1,088 diapers.